was thinking about this carb here, and just a little note, the Torx with the washers go in this too. I have all the top Torx off, so.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull there.
Yeah, I know.
And then pull these out too.
Yeah.
Did you get the guy in here? Okay, there you're good. Guess I'll have one here. Put that, away you go. Keep digging.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys, make a lot more progress on this. Just getting this part. I'm not that much of a carburetor person, so I can't tell you that's that and that's that, but I believe this is the diaphragm. So I've got this all taken apart. Just as instructed, just pulling it apart. So we're getting there. What'd you discover?
That's the driver's side.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty solid. This one, the first time I flipped it over, it had a big old gap between the float. Now we've kind of busted it loose, but I should be able to blow it out.
Yeah, you're not.
Yeah.
So,
Because I definitely make more than 3 psi.
maybe.
But look at all the. Ugh. 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 Bath time for baby.
Yeah, bath time for all of this.
We're gonna take a bath together?
Yeah, we can take it back together.
Oh, dude, look at the schmutz in there, the shit schmutz. Let me get a light.
Funky Unk.
Funky unky. Woo! Damn it!
In my drawer.
What about your drawer?
Pull my drawers down.
Okay.
Under my wig.
If I could turn back time. No more Cher impressions.
My wig.
Oh
Ooh,
my God.
ew.
Ew.
Ewy.
Look it in there. Shine in there deep. That is absolutely vile. Scotty, you want to see something gross? Scotty brought us ice cream. Oh, that's not the camera. That's the light. Look, ice cream. We have ice cream and you don't. Anyway, that's nasty. Scotty, you want to see something gross? Look in there.
Oh God, that's rancid smelling.
Ewy.
Ew!
Ew. Ew.
Okay, so Xander's going to continue to tear down and then that time.
Is that a gasket?
Yeah. Yeah. It's very crispy.
Yeah.